In the heart of a vast mining operation, where the terrain is rough and the work is endless, one machine stands out as a symbol of raw power and precision: the Caterpillar D9T Bulldozer. From above, the scale of this mining site becomes clear. This is not just construction, this is industrial transformation on a massive level. The Caterpillar D9T is designed for one purpose: extreme earthmoving in the toughest conditions on Earth. Its massive blade, powerful engine, and reinforced frame allow it to push, cut, and shape terrain that would stop ordinary machines instantly. Today's operation focuses on opening a new mining ramp. This ramp will become a critical access route for heavy trucks and machinery moving in and out of the mining zone. The bulldozer slowly positions itself at the starting point. The operator inside the cabin is fully focused. Every movement of the blade must be controlled with precision. As the engine roars, the D9T begins its push into the earth. Layers of rock, soil, and compacted materials start to shift under the immense force of the blade. From the aerial perspective, the scale of the operation is breathtaking. The bulldozer appears small against the vast mining landscape, yet its impact is enormous. Each pass of the blade reshapes the terrain. High ground is cut down, and material is pushed aside to form a stable pathway for heavy trucks. The operator carefully adjusts the blade angle. Too much force can waste fuel and material. Too little can slow progress. This balance is what separates skilled operators from average ones. The Caterpillar D9T continues forward steadily, carving a clear path through the mining ground. Dust rises behind the machine, marking the progress of every movement. In mining operations like this, efficiency is everything. Every minute saved in ramp construction can significantly increase productivity across the entire site. Support equipment waits in the background. Excavators, dump trucks, and loaders, all ready to use the newly formed path once it is complete. The bulldozer now begins another pass. This time, it refines the surface, making the ramp smoother and safer for heavy transport vehicles. The power of the D9T is not just in its size, but in its consistency. It can operate for long hours under extreme load without losing performance. As the ramp takes shape, the transformation of the landscape becomes clear. What was once rough and uneven ground is now becoming a structured access route for mining operations. From above, the pattern of the bulldozer's work can be seen: straight lines, controlled curves, and carefully managed slopes. This is the reality of modern mining: precision engineering combined with raw mechanical power. The Caterpillar D9T continues its work without pause, pushing forward with unmatched strength. Every movement brings the mining operation closer to full efficiency. Every pass improves access, safety, and productivity. As the sun reflects off the massive machine, it stands as a reminder of how far heavy equipment technology has come. From early earth-moving tools to today's advanced bulldozers, machines like the D9T represent decades of engineering progress. And as the ramp nears completion, the Caterpillar D9T completes yet another cycle of powerful, controlled earth-moving. This is not just work. This is industrial power in motion.